Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Arab local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the best cheap Arab moving company gives you the help you need. With 3 Movers, you can get exactly what you need fast. We are dependable and offer the most professional local and long-distance moving services in the area. Let us show you how easy moving should be, even if you're moving a large home or business. Getting the right long-distance moving team is important. We offer all of the following options. Packing services. Choosing to hire us for your packing and unpacking gives you the most convenient moving option possible. Moving supplies. If you plan to do the packing yourself, we can supply you with all the moving and packing materials you need. An on-time move. Our team will show up at the scheduled time on your moving day to ensure there is no delay. Upfront pricing. A quote from us will ensure you get the transparent pricing you need to set your budget properly when moving. Licensed and insured. We protect all your belongings throughout the entire move, no matter how far you need to go. Whether it's a move to the next state over or across the country, we can handle it. Relocating offers plenty of stress throughout the process. With the help of our long-distance movers, you don't have to worry about all the stress of relocating. Instead, we take care of the physical work and let you focus on other things. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Arab moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.